Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really cool flamethrower tool that you can use in your kitchen or for yard work, setting your campfire ablaze, or pretty much any project where you're going to need to throw a little bit of fire. This is a really nice ergonomic design with an igniter button on the back and a really nice grip that kind of alleviates any of the heaviness of this thing, and in fact works with a lot of these 1 pound canisters. Simply turning this on at the top, you can hear it release a little bit. Pushing that, it actually is just letting out a little bit of fire. You can adjust that all the way up or down, or pull the trigger and eliminate some pesky weeds. Now you can adjust this up or down, and again, this would work great for toasting marshmallows. This would work great for doing some creme brulee or breadcrumbs, but you're going to want to do those in a large quantity because this thing really puts out some heat. I'm going to turn it on one more time and you can use it like this. Again, if you're toasting things, it puts out a nice set of flame. I really like this shield on here. Now this will get hot. You can adjust that up or clear down so that you can just toast like some creme brulee, things like that. But again, that little trigger mechanism there allows you to do a lot more than that. You can see how much power that's actually moving those rocks around. So again, this would work great for lighting coal, lighting your barbecue grill, or just having fun around the house.